What does a DMV hearing mean? Comment below, let us know what you think regarding the subject matter at hand. So Jose Del Pina asks, they gave me a DUI. It's my first one. And they told me something about a hearing with the DMV. I want to know what it means and what do I need to do so that my license does not get suspended? That is a very good question. You should have gotten a pink sheet of paper similar to this one right here, which is a temporary license. It's a temporary license from the DMV. It actually says on the top, age 21 and over, administrative per se temporary license. So basically with that pink piece of paper, you can drive for 30 days here in the state of California. However, you're only given 10 days from the date of the incident to request a hearing with the DMV in order to see whether or not your license can be suspended or not. Now, this is separate and independent from court. A lot of times you call the DMV, they will give you erroneous advice. They will tell you, oh, well, just wait till court. No, absolutely not. You only have 10 days from the date of the incident to schedule a hearing with the DMV. What happens in court is separate and independent from whatever happens with the DMV. It's a completely separate issue. It's a totally separate issue. Don't get tricked by that. Now, at the administrative per se hearing, well, once the hearing is asked for, once you request the hearing, the DMV will mail you another temporary license that has no limit it has no expiration date, where you can keep driving pending the outcome of the hearing. Now, at the DMV hearing, they have to show 3 things in order to successfully suspend your license. Number 1, they have to show that the police officer had the right to pull you over or to stop the vehicle or to investigate whatever took place. Number 2, they have to show that the police officer arrested you and adequately identified you. And finally, number 3, they would have to show that you were actually driving with a blood alcohol level of a 0.08 or more. If they cannot show all of those 3 things, they cannot suspend your license. However, if they can show all those 3 things, they can suspend your license for up to 6 months. However, you can also obtain a restricted license in order to be able to drive from home to work and for other necessities. In order to obtain a restricted license, you have to obtain 3 things. Number 1, you have to obtain a certificate of insurance called the SR22. Number 2, you have to enroll in a DUI school either 3, 6, or 9 months, depending on how high the blood alcohol level was. And finally, you have to show proof of that to the DMV and pay them $125, and they will give you a temporary license so that you can drive from home to work and other necessities. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing somebody who got accused of stealing at a store. Have a good day.